Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making a pencil grip made out of loom bands or rainbow loom bands or whatever you want to call them. So here today I have a lot of my stuff. Hold on, because here today I have a lot of my pens and stuff, pencils. So I have this pencil that's not even sharpened. I have this pencil, not even sharpened either. I have this pen. Ow. I have this Ticonderoga pencil. And I have my mom's pencil. It's a Wheatland Insurance pencil. And then I got some lip balm because I want to make a little grip for my lip balm. I just remembered I couldn't. Well, I can't. Because this thing has to slide up for the lip balm to connect. Okay. Well, we're going to minus this one. We'll put it on the table there. Okay. So, this is what it's going to look like. Obviously with different colors. And this is the first one I ever made. So this is going to be my second one. I tried it on the loom, then I tried it on my fingers. That worked. But the first time I tried it on my fingers, I kind of messed up. So I have some important things for you. First we're going to do the pencil. And for this one, you can use different colors, but I'm going to use red and orange. Since this is like my first time, I'm not going to do any really complicated, colors. So let's get started. Oh, guys, we should make a pencil sleeve. Okay, guys, so for this pencil, in my next video, I'm going to make a pencil sleeve. So let's get started. So first get your pencil and just set it down. Okay, so you get your first rubber band. I'm going to start out with red. Put it around your thumb like this. So just like that. Then twist it so you have the infinity sign. And then twist it again and put it on your middle finger. Now get your orange and just put that on top, just like this. And then pull the red over. And it should look like this. Let's see those two bands. So now you're gonna put it in there through the hole. And make sure both red bands are on each side. Then you're just gonna angle it so it's like kind of down so that, I don't know, so you don't have to move it in the future. Okay, so now you're gonna get your red or whatever color. And it's going to be a little bit different. So now that you have your pencil, and I can put it over your pencil and over these fingers. Pull it over, pull the other side over. Now, when you do this one, pull the orange, oh my God, pull the orange like this. So it misses the pencil, so it doesn't go over the pencil. That was one of my mistakes. Now you're just going to keep on doing that and make sure you don't, here, I'll show you this again. So put it over so it should look like this, and it's around the pencil on that. Now pull this side where your thumb is, pull this side. Now when you get to the back, do this. Miss the pencil like that. I know it's not a very good angle, but just make sure you might not get what I am saying, but I don't know. Oh yeah, shout out to, I think it was NO11SW for inspiring me to do this. So shout out to her. So yeah, this is actually this actually doesn't take too long. But for the other one I'm gonna make, the sleeve, that might take quite a while, but it's gonna be so sick. It's gonna be like a sock for your pencil. Yeah. But yeah, I just made a pencil grip, but I will show you how to end it off. To end it off, it is so easy. But for now, the octopus is gonna watch you. Meow meow. So we're just gonna keep on continuing this process. It's actually a very simple process, although to start it off, it's probably not the most easiest. I think the easiest process to start off with is a single chain, which obviously single chains is like super easy. I actually have quite a bit of single chains in all my collection. I have this cotton candy, and then I also have like fishtails. This is red and orange. So this doesn't look like a single chain on a pencil. It looks like braids and then like strings on a pencil. And you'll know if you're doing it right if it looks like this. Holy moly, you guys cannot see a thing. Well, it looks really cool. It looks like this, but shorter. It won't focus, guys. I'm sorry. So yeah, this is actually a very, oh my god, now it won't focus. Focus. Okay. So yeah, I like it about not too long. But for the sleeve, it's going to be long. And for the sleeve, the colors of the sleeve, I think I'll do pink, white, and I don't know. Pink and, oh no, let me see this. Like pink, white, purple. Yeah, pink, white, purple. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. You don't need too many rubber bands, but I guess if you're doing a sleeve, you're going to need quite a bit. That just came off. But I do wish Rainbow Loom would make a kit for pencil grips, because that would be awesome. And it's Rainbow Loom to help you with school or homework. So here's mine so far. Oh god. We're just kind of stretching it. Oh. So yeah, there it is. It's actually, it looks so cool. It looks like braids. See, that's what I mean. It won't focus now. Now again. Now we need some orange. So just pull it over, kind of, and then meep. My teacher goes beep 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 when she needs us to get out of the way. It's quite annoying. Beep beep. And she's very weird. She says the most randomest things. She's going to be teaching. She'll be like, isn't tonight a full moon? Anyway, so, yeah, there's a full moon. And she'll just stare. But, I mean, it's fine, I guess. Anyways, guys, so if you like making pencil grips, and if you're at a sleepover, you can make a whole bunch of pencil grips. So yeah. I like pencil grips because I just learned how to make them and they're so cool. Next thing I know, I'm going to be very bored of them. I'm going to be like, why was this a thing? But whatevs. Whoa, look how cool that is. Okay, so we're just going to move it up a little bit because we need to. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to end it off. So get your thumb and put that over on to the other side. Get your middle finger, put it onto the other side, and get your pointer finger and put that one onto the other side. And then there you go. You have got your custom pencil grip. It is still not focusing. There we go. Let's see if I can get it up close. Focus. Well, this camera does not focus so good, but it's okay. But yeah, there is how to make a pencil grip, and now I have 2 of them. Look how cute my pencils look. It's like little scarves for your pencils against the wall. Oh, for a campfire. Okay, guys, so I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please. It would mean so much to me. And yeah, bye guys.